So this is another day outside of the Matrix. The Matrix does not want you to be happy. The Matrix does not want you to be free. The Matrix wants you to be stuck in the Matrix loop of unhappiness and depression. To escape the Matrix, there's only one way you can do that. The only way to escape the Matrix is to create your own Matrix within yourself, because anything outside of you will never make you happy. Nothing exists in this world that's outside of you that will ever make you happy. You have to find yourself. You have to find your health. You have to find your well-being. You can't look outside of you for anything in that nature at all. You have to go back into nature and connect back with nature, because we all have been severed from nature. Happiness exists within you. Nothing outside of you can create happiness. You have to go back to what your ancestors did. You have to participate in certain rituals that better your health. If that includes fitness, meditation, yoga, all these things better yourself, which create happiness for yourself. You must tap back in to yourself. Because at the end of the day, your reality is created in your mind. Nothing outside of you is really what it appears to be. It's what your brain makes it to be. To be or not to be, your brain will always be, if that makes any sense to you. I know it does to me. The only way to be free is to tap back in to the all that is, and it shall be. I am everything, and everything is me. Anything I set my intent, thus it shall be. Because I am God. God's within me. We are all an extension of the all. We are God experiencing itself. We are the universe experiencing itself. You are this water. You are these trees. I am the water. I am the air. I am the trees. I am the flowers. I am the grass. I am the very dirt that is upon the earth that we walk our feet on. That's another thing. Grounding. You hold an electrical device in your hand for the most part of the day. Alright, so you have to ground yourself back onto earth, because we are electrical cells. We are electrical beings. This is why you have to take care of your gut. Your gut health affects your brain health, because there's something called the vagus nerve, which connects your gut to your brain. If that's clogged, then your mental capabilities are limited. This is why they feed you all this type of stuff, and McDonald's, Taco Bell, and Burger King, and all this McDonald's. They're all branded red, yellow, and orange, so they can attack you at your root system. You have a chakra system throughout your whole body. So if you're operating out of your lower self, which is your root, you're just going to be indulging in fleshly things like eating, lusting, and all things that take you away from you. You must get back to nature. Through nature, you get back to yourself. This isn't for everybody. Some people like being in the matrix. Some people are comfortable being told how to live their lives. Not you. Not you. You're a chosen one. You chose yourself. So just remember, happiness comes from within, not without. Looking outside of you for happiness is basically like jumping in water and not knowing how to swim.